Everybody, today we're going to be checking out an acapella group who do crazy, insane openers for stuff. And this is for Nintendo's Wii. So this is MayTree with Wii. Let's get going. That's so cool. Awesome. I mean, it makes you really think you're turning it on. Man, the harmonics. That's so awesome. I mean, it's like perfect to the T. So cool. That was awesome. I'll be checking out more of their openers because very, very talented, and it's just cool because you wouldn't think about having acapella on these things. Everybody does. Oh, I'm gonna do acapella on the song. No, this is above and beyond and off the wall. So see you guys later.